I fried something on my multimeter. I put this accidentally on DC and now it blew it up. That's why I swear, this analog multimeter is not the highest quality at all. Yeah, something swear. I should not open this up. But this analog multimeter have a problem. I hate this so much. Although, I should measure in probably DC voltage, although they are fried. So on DC, we cannot measure anything. Like now, I'm gonna measure a battery voltage. Did we have any battery? I should swear. I don't even have a battery, that's why I'm so broke. Anyway, I scavenged some battery in my ceiling fan remote control. What the fuck? There we go. Let me measure the DC resistance voltage. Let me see, still measure the bulb. Let me see, still measure the bulb. Although the multimeter has burned out. Huh, they're not working. I guess I fried the circuit. Although this is quite bullshit, although I fried the circuit. Let me see, the AC should be work. Because AC should be work with alternating current. Huh. Put a DC milliamp to attract. No. 10 milliamps. Oh. What the fuck? I fried the wire. Am I stupid now? Doesn't matter. You fix it with electrical engineer brain over here. Well, it's a problem. I fried the cable over here, probably. Anyway, I need to unwrap this piece of junk because this piece of junk also recently have broken. Pull it up. Let's pull it out. There you go. Piece of shit. Oh yeah, all these are broken. So this is not good to fix it like that. Although I should say it's not good to do it like that. Sigma boy, your house is blue. Okay, so now I will swear, how the hell I gotta fix this? Although I should say we can burn the cable. Burn the cable? Are you have out of your freaking mind to burn the cable? Burn the cable. Oh, I forgot to insert the plastic. Later we're gonna have a problem. Burn the cable. I think I have no brain. Anyway, just now I put this on 0.5 volt DC and this thing starts vibrating crazy and blow it up. And the circuit starts blowing it up. That's why I said this analog multimeter is not good for this purpose. That's why it's good for AC measuring AC voltage resistance. Bullshit. So now we just need to talk about it. It's not an expensive multimeter anyway. It's the cheapest useless piece of junk. Anywho, so now let's see this works when I fix it. Let me fix the meter probe with the dodgy way. There you go, you fix it. We fix it. This is a dodgy way, don't try this at home anyway. This is a dodgy way to fix a broken multimeter probe. The copper wire is not thick as your ass, but doesn't matter. You know, we just need to know how things work. And just tie the copper wire inside. And make sure it's not pullable. And like that, we fix it. And like that, we fix it. And you let the wire loose inside and we put it back. And there we go, we fix it. And now let's see, we can measure AC voltage. There you go. It started to vibrating again. Although let me guess, the surrogate inside might be a problem because I hate this piece of crap. There's extreme burning smell, but doesn't matter. There you go. A 10 kilo ohm resistor below. That's why this multimeter is not good. That's why I swear you should buy a proper multimeter. This is analog multimeter. They are vintage, so don't destroy it. Then we end this video.